Factor completely. This one is called a difference of cubes. Okay, what is mean? Cubes mean raised to the power of 3 right here. So the formula said you have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is going to be equal to a minus b parenthesis a squared plus ab, which is you multiply the two numbers, plus b squared. Okay, so we're going to use this formula for the next example right here. Okay, so the example said factor out completely x to the cube or power of 3 subtract 64. So very first thing you have to do is you have to figure it out. Since this one is x cubed, I'm going to take the cube root of 64. So in the calculator, you can go to the calculator, you hit control, and then the hat is gonna show you this symbol. Okay. In here, you're going to put 3 over here because we want to get the cube root. And inside, you put 64. So we want to find out what is a number so that when you take the cube root, you get that number. I figured out that one is 4 because 4 times 4 times 4 gives you 64. So let's apply the formula. Here I have a to the power of 3. It's just the same as x to the power of 3, and b to the power of 3 means 4 to the power of 3 right here. So let's just replace the a and b with x and 4. So the formula said a minus b. In this case, is going to be your a is your x, so you're gonna be writing x minus b means 4 right here, so I'm going to write x minus 4. So we're done on the first part right here. Now let's move on to the second part so we can complete this factoring. Alright, here I say a squared. I know my a is x, so I'm just gonna replace that one by x squared plus ab means a times b. So here I have a is x, b is 4. So a times b give you 4x. And the last term right here, when you have to square the b, which in this case b is 4. So when you square 4, you're going to get 16. Alright. So your final answer when you try to factor x cubed minus 64 will be x minus 4, parenthesis, x squared plus 4x plus 16.